Hello and welcome to the Welch Quarantine Cooking Challenge. The rules of the challenge are each night the challenger will choose one item from 4 separate categories. You have pantry, frozen or canned, fresh, or protein. And once the item from each category has been chosen, it can no longer be used. Then each night the challenger shall also choose a sous chef, and again, once that sous chef has done their part, they are no longer allowed to be a sous chef. Then we have judging. Each person will be judged on a place of 100 points, 50 points each from the 2 people who did not cook. You will get 20 points for taste, possible 20 points for presentation, and then a possible 10 points for creativity and use of ingredients. Good luck, challengers.
Now introducing tonight's challenger, Ryan Welch. Come on out.
Yeah!
All right, Chef Ryan, what do you choose for your 4 ingredients?
Frozen burgers. Always have to go for the frozen burgers. Carrots. Corn.
And your final ingredient is?
Mac and cheese.
All right, so those ingredients will be used tonight and nobody can use them the rest of the challenge. Who is your sous chef?
Dad.
All right, erase Dad's name off the board. Okay, are you ready for your challenge?
Yes.
Okay, 1 hour on the clock. Time starts now.
Okay, so what's...
All right, here's your basket.
Okay, so what should we do?
You also have free range of the pantry, fridge, and freezer for other ingredients.
Okay, Dad, here's my idea. Okay, so maybe we can make like a mac and cheese and carrot combo.
Hey, you and I probably make a great combo. You know,
You do.
I think. Maybe we do. Not really. We do make a great combo, you know.
Good crew.
15 minutes have expired on the clock. How is it coming, Chef?
Yeah, it's going fine. So my burger is ready to go all fried, and the corn's done. And here's what I'm gonna do for the plate with the corn. I'm gonna spell the word quarantine on my plate.
Oh, okay. Well, I can't wait to see how this comes together, Chef. Keep at it.
Okay, no problem. Man, this burger patty is gonna have a card. It's a tough cookie.
So what is our sous chef working on?
Right now, our sous chef is working on cutting up carrots because, according to our chef, he says he wants to fry the carrots in bacon grease.
Oh, how interesting. Okay, keep at it. All right, Chef, how are you doing? What are you doing now?
We're seasoning the meat, which I got just already done. You can see that the burger
Okay.
patty seasoned.
Yep. All right. What'd you use to season your meat?
Grill time stick seasoning.
Oh, yum. All
And
right.
we're also gonna add a touch of garlic.
Okay, it's sounding good so far. Okay, keep cooking, chefs.
Okay.
Okay, looks like stuff's cooking on the stove. The grill is going. Ooh, the chef has gone to the refrigerator to pull out some more ingredients. I see mustard. Okay. And what else are you getting out? Oh, it's gone to the cabinets. What is this? Honey. Oh, I see the workings of a great sauce coming up. All right, looks
Here's
like
what I'm gonna make: brown honey mustard. Brown honey mustard.
all right. Looks like our chefs are cooking away. All right, 20 minutes left on the clock, chefs. Can you get it done in time?
We're about to find out.
Let's find out, everybody. Fried carrots. Okay, so we're frying the carrots because I think they're gonna make a great texture.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Also, I had an idea of changing. We're gonna save a little corn for the quarantine, and also adding corn this to form a mac and cheese, carrot, corn stew.
Okay, it looks like you're getting done. You've got 10 minutes on the clock left.
Okay.
All right, chefs, the time is counting down.
Okay, Dad, now is a good time to use this.
Now is a good time to open your corn. That sounds like a good idea, Chef. I like that.
Get the scissors.
3, 2, 1. All right, hands up, time's up. Good job, chefs. Let's see what you made. Okay, Chef Ryan, explain your dish, please.
Okay, so here we have a burger with a burger covered glazed in mustard, brown, double mustard, regular mustard, and brown mustard, honey.
That's a glaze
honey,
on the meat.
and it's glazed
Okay.
on the burger. And we also have steak seasoning on it, and it's
Okay.
gonna be and garlic powder on it.
Okay, and what about this side dish over here?
This is a corn, carrot, mac and cheese stew, and we have
Okay.
a little Q for quarantine.
Oh, you turned the corn into the letter
Q.
for quarantine.
And this is a little flower thing that we just got today from that tree thing off right there.
Mm-hmm. So we're decorating with a flower.
Okay, thank you for your dish. All right, let's taste it. Would you like to cut it?
Sure.
All right, just cut us a little bite off the edge there. That burger looks good. Let's see how well it's cooked.
I'm not very good at cutting things. That's your piece.
That's good enough. We can try that piece. Okay, look. Okay, that looks good. Oh, it's nice and tender. Okay. Oh, my goodness. All right, I'm gonna try you a bite. I'll try a bite. Let's try the burger first. What do you think?
The mustard is not sweet, but it's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. And the burger was cooked nicely too. It's pretty good.
Very good, very good. Let's try this. The side dish, the mac and cheese.
Make sure you get some of the carrot and the corn.
Okay, get a little bit of everything in the bite. Okay. Good. And get that bacon flavor from using the bacon grease to cook the carrots. Very good. The pasta is cooked properly. It's not too overcooked, not too undercooked. Okay, all in all, a fabulous dish. Thank you, chef. All right, I've judged, and I gave Ryan 42 points.
I judged and gave Ryan 43 points.
Okay, so 42 plus 43 is 85 points. So that is your score, and that is the score to beat in tomorrow's Quarantine Cooking Challenge. See you tomorrow for the next challenger, Rachel.
Woo! Alright, it's on like Donkey Kong. Jack.